All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hey guys, today we're showing you the VTOMAN Jump Starter, or VTOMAN. Depends how you pronounce it, but let's go ahead, open this up, show you guys what you get in the box. So right away, I love when brands do this. I love when they provide you with a carrying case. I think all brands should do this, but not every jump starter brand does this. So you got your charging cable, you got your air compressor line, you have your air compressor, different ends, for your basketballs, inflatable tubes, and so forth. This is your jump starter. Now, I do wish the cable would have been a little longer, but this is a common practice among jump starter companies. That, the distance, it's not as long as we would like, but it is copper, so that is a big plus. Some companies don't make this copper, so that's a big plus. We love that that's copper. So negative to negative, positive to positive when connecting. You got your manual in here as well as the unit itself. So nice little sleek unit. You have your light over here. Very nice. It's pretty bright. That's good if you are, emergency. Nice. You can also charge your devices with this, USB port. You got a 15-volt out. Air compressor line goes in here. Let's go ahead and show you guys how that works. Here's the line. It's not crazy long, but it should do for most jobs. I like the easy thread on. So all you do is go like this, thread it on, and there you go. Just like that. Press and hold. All right. So you got different modes here. Okay, so you can do bar, PSI, KPA. So we're going to do PSI, then we're going to select mode again. You can adjust, the settings on here as well. So it does have auto off feature. It's not instant auto off, but it's, it's a little delayed, but that's not a problem. Overall, nice, portable, compact. Plug in your alligator clamps into the side here. Easily store it right back up. A nice little unit here. All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.